The WORX Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The WORX Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today.